Namaste to fellow trainers. All of us want a lot of business. Let's also look at that what the customers expects from us. Of course, you know it. Day end feedback. Yes, it has to be good, and generally it is derived when your session is quite engaging. But they want something more. They want some kind of security, emotional security, right? And what is that? They don't want you to make any kind of negative remarks, maybe about the company, maybe about participants, maybe about the management. They don't want you to make any controversial remark, maybe related to politics, religion, anything that sounds negative. It should not be there. Of course, your personality has to be acceptable in the corporate environment. So make sure that you are dressed in line with the corporate philosophy, their culture. All these are fine, but there is something beyond that. What they want is that the learning should be implemented by the learners. They are spending a lot of time and money, so it's not just about being good, but it should be about the real implementation, and that is only when you derive ROI for them, right? The return on investment, that's very important for them. And on top of that, the person who is taking a decision to employ you, to hire you, they want to be right in front of their bosses. The boss should feel that yes, this fellow has taken a right decision to hire this particular trainer. If that goes wrong, nothing else is going to work, because the goodwill of this person while selecting you is at stake. So friends, take care of all these points, and I'm sure that you will do wonderful in this career. Thank you very much. Let's meet soon again.